Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UBER, Uber. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but very, very nice day today. Now, not necessarily just today, but you look at the past few days, and this one has really been coming back to life. So I want to get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here as we head into Friday. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can now stay up above $29. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $29, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. This right here is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 29 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance moving forward? For this, got to squeeze down the chart here a little bit, which is a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into the chart's history. So I realize things are getting a little bit harder to see here. But first key level of resistance going to be right up there at $29.65. And if the price can break up through there, then that's where you're looking at definitely some more room to run as the next key level, not up until right around $30.35. So like I said, it's the chart's putting itself in some very interesting situations here. And as long as these high volume breaks continue to happen, then the likelihood that the price can get up to these next levels is certainly not guaranteed. But like I said, likelihood, yeah, there's a chance that it could very well happen. So at the end of the day, though, just focus on building higher bases, which is what the price has been doing. So as long as the price continues to build higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, so as long as this remains the case, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. Real quick, if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident in saying you'd find value in this live web class that I'm offering. It's totally free, so if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you can go to claytrader.com/live or just click in the link in the description area. Like I said, it is live, so there's a question and answer session. It's all very interactive. So go to that link, get signed up, and I'll see you there.